Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm so excited to kick off my very first 2019 fall decorate with me video. I have to thank Christy Mel for hosting this collab with anyone that wanted to spruce up their coffee station or their coffee bar. You can make a video or on Instagram submit your pictures. Thank you once again, Christy, for this collaboration. I'm so excited to be getting in the fall spirit, even though it's 100+ degrees still here in Texas. But nonetheless, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Let's get into this video. This is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I just wanted to give you an up close on the sign. It already had the gold sparkly, but I took some tape, covered up the words, and I spray painted it black. And then I went around all the word that I could, you know, if this was covered with tape, I just went in with a black marker and outlined the words. And then I just used a little gold marker and drew around. It's a glare, I'm sorry, but here goes the cute little sign. Have been in my coffee station for a while now. I feel they're perfect scale, they work out well, so I'm just going to use the things that I have and just add on to it. This was $14.99. I cannot find any more items like this at HomeGoods. I'm on a look, and I just put a faux greenery, just stuck it right in there just like that. And alright, let's talk about these cuties right here. These are Dollar Tree pumpkins. I do not like to spend a lot of money on seasonal decor at all. These are nice ceramic from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? They're nice, they're cute, nice scale for a coffee station. Absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and place one here. White pumpkin candle. This came out of HomeGoods, really inexpensive, like $6.99. So instead of having the macaroons on this gold plate, I'm just gonna put it on this. HomeGoods for $3.99 a very, very long time ago. This is always a good idea to find little cute, inexpensive dishes. I'm gonna just place this little cake dome on there and turn it in for a dessert holder.
Season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it,
okay, so this is a more reasonable coffee station on a daily, but because it's my first fall video, I just wanted to share how I would display some of my desserts. But nonetheless, everything is corralled here on this tray. I love the size. I cannot find a mirrored tray from here to here, so that's why I had to improvise with this little mirrored tray here, which is from At Home Store for a few bucks. I put this candle on there, this white pumpkin candle. I kept my same canister, and I just feel like this is like the perfect addition for a coffee station. And if I find something better, of course I would change it, but it just fits so perfectly. A Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I use this for the moment. If I had some cute straws or something, I would switch it out, but I only have these little stairs here. This little thing came from Starbucks, that little thing, and it's so cute. It has like a little tutu on there. I think it is so lovely. So I've gotten it a little while ago from Starbucks. It was a collab or so. But yeah, I love this. The sign has to be my favorite, and it makes the biggest impact. So I really love it. I love it. All right, you guys, so I'm so excited to share my little coffee station with you. It has a bit more than what I would normally keep on my counter. I will go through everything that I just did. I really didn't do a lot. Just added a few pumpkins, a candle, and picture frame, and it just made it so fall-y, so glam, so me. All right, of course the desserts that's here would alternate, change out whatever I have on hand. I would display them here in my coffee station. Sometimes in this corner I will put a two-tiered small tray and have little snacks and little goodies like that throughout the season. If I find some cute hot cocoa containers, whipped cream in the fall with the cinnamon, it just makes me feel so warm and cozy in the inside. I have this little cake stand that I always have right here, that's always here. I put my laptop and everything on it when I'm in here cooking, so I just placed this on top. Let me show. So this is what it looks like over here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this fall video for 2019. Thank you once again, Christy Mel, for opening up this collaboration for anyone that wanted to participate. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I did not spend but $10 to create this coffee station. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me as we transform this little coffee station into fall-ish. It's still 100+ degrees here in Texas, but nonetheless, I'm getting fall vibes, pumpkin spice, everything nice. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.